Oh, I'm thinking.
On again. Hey y'all, welcome back to Flippin' Rippin'. We're here at local creek, or on our property actually, and we're floating down into our lake, which is about a 2-mile run or so. Here with Canyon, Catch You Later Outdoors, and Russell, who finally started a YouTube channel. It's called Crimson Bass. So go check it out. But today we're gonna go float down the lake, catch some fish, and have fun. So let's get to it. Hey.
Out lake.
I hope I don't have to get out of this thing because I don't think I'm ever going to be able to get back in this thing. We can dig up a bungee cord before we get too far from the truck. So you got stuff.
Oh, come on, come on. We made it, we made it. Hey. All right, so just made it down some more rapids. Hit a deep spot here. Well, now it's shallow again, but we're getting closer to where fishing's gonna get real good. Yeah. I'm coming. I'm working on it. I know it. Wow. You'd think that algae make you slide better, but no, it's like grit. Hey, hey. That's rude. Could have asked. Sure.
You can do it with me next week.
Okay. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
wait, that's a big one right here. Oh, man, I want to hit it, Not ping pong.
Woo! Found the chute, boys. Yee-hoo!
Oh, there goes. Oh.
You got him? Oh!
I got it.
That was a good grab right there. Brakes. I gotta wait for Dad to get all unfull over there and wait for Russell.
Russell got it. Went in first and he's coming out. Almost last.
Yeah.
Mine's fixing to.
Oh, you're in a little eddy right there.
Well, that was tough, boys, but that was fun.
Yeah. That's probably about, there's one spot that's gonna be about as bad as that, and then it's gonna be smooth sailing. Well, there's gonna be plenty more, don't you worry, but I mean as bad as that. Oh.
Okay, that actually wasn't that big.
Fall in! Huh?
I don't want to mess up the camera.
No, it's waterproof.
They're waterproof.
Ah! Here, take your phone out of your pocket. It's like a walkway.
Oh, I'm thinking.
Hey, get over here. Get over here, boy. Here. No, just stick it in there for now. I am. Just stick it in there for now. We'll wrestle here for a little bit, then we'll move down. Hey, I ain't here to stay dry.
All right, so we made it to our first mandatory thing to go around.
Lord.
All right, I'm gonna go to the other side, and y'all hand me the the fishing poles.
I gotta film this.
Yeah. Y'all hand me. All right, y'all. Hand me the fishing poles, and I'll set them over there, and then hand me a kayak, and we'll just work together.
Get my feet coming.
Yep.
Oh, there goes. Hey, can you get my boat, please?
Get your kayak. All right, y'all. Hand me your fishing poles.
Oh my gosh. That's cold.
Yeah.
That's cold. That is cold.
Yeah, you'll get used to it. All right, kayak.
Now, hey,
Hey.
y'all watch where you're putting your hands and your feet.
Don't mind that.
Yep. All right, I got the kayak.
Pull on the elastic. It'll.
Yep, go ahead and push it up. Nice.
Good. Just clamber on up there.
She's through.
Sorry, I'll get out of your way.
All right, Russell. There to here.
The kayak. I just put a rock in my foot.
That's perfect for us.
Man, we ought to find some boots.
Follow me to the deep over there.
I'm thinking about peeing. I'm glad that doesn't make that easy.
Oh, it probably is.
There you go, Russ.
Thank you, man.
Hey, go farther out onto that flat one. And it's shallow down there.
I'm dragging mine through this. Okay. I hope I don't have to get out of this thing because I don't think I'm ever going to be able to get back in this thing. We're good.
That's not for everything.
Well, we got to change that today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Well, so far it ain't worked out for me. Yeah. Yeah.
Man, that was fun going down that waterfall.
Yeah. When we hit the lake, we should go for a swim.
Bro, you know what kind of clothes I'm in?
Huh?
You know what kind of clothes I'm in?
Bathtub. Really fun. I wonder how many miles we came so far.
at least 3.
It feels like we've done like 10. You ready to roll, boss man? We ain't walking nothing. I'm going wide open. Whoa! Yo! Put it in overdrive, boy. Boom. Oh!
Watch out, Dad. That got a little dangerous there, bud. He's gonna tell you all about it. Hi. I made it. I have made it. Dang, that looks like a serious waterfall. Nah. Yeah. I'm going for it. Which side's best, Dad? Which side? Alright. Could you give me a push off this little rock here? Watch the kayaks. Pushing! I need pushes. Thank you.
Hey, can you get a picture of the video on?
Oh yeah. Think I got this. We're good, boys. Oh yeah. Easy peasy. I almost went right there. I almost went. Yeah. Ride it, Cannon. Ride it, boy. Cannon, go right there. Oh! That's more impressive than anything, honestly. Yeah. Dude, I rode it all the way down. No, I almost did. Right there. Yee-hoo! I made it! Woo! Yeah.
This one would be like, yeah, still got flat over there. I tried to get around at the beginning. I was like, oh my god.
That was fun.
That's a cool little section. You got video of all that? Cool. Here, hold this. I want to take a picture.
Say that if you all gotta be crazy and call that. Say it. Echo! Yeah, it might be a third fight. Oh, okay, that's about the same. No.
Well, that can jump too.
Yeah, that. Yeah.
I ain't gonna test that dude.
Yep. Yeah, this is a big bridge. I've never been down this far. I've been thinking about coming down here. Huh? Oh yeah. That's why they call it fishing, not catching, because you can't catch crap. It's crappy fishing right here. Gonna have a crappy good time. So that's what Wyatt thinks of every time I say crappy. With fish. Just gotta bring that up. Or the lake. Yeah, it gets like deep and wide when it hits it. We ought to probably make up some time because it's probably like really far. I wonder how many miles we came so far.
At least 3.
It feels like we've done like 10. You ready to roll, boss man? We ain't walking nothing. I'm going wide open. Put it in overdrive, boy. Boom. Oh. Oh! Watch out, Dad! That got a little dangerous there, bud. He's gonna tell you all about it. Bye. I made it. I have made it. Dang, that looks like a serious waterfall. Nah. Yeah. I'm going for it. Which side is best, Dad? Which side? Alright. Could you give me a push off this little rock here? Watch the kayak. Push it! I need pushes. Thank you.
Hey, can you get a picture of the video on?
Oh yeah. Think I got this. We're good, boys. Oh yeah. Easy peasy. I almost went right there. I almost went. Yeah. Ride it, Cannon. Ride it, boy. All right, so we just came down that thing. You can't see it, but there's actually some falls up there. But it was super fun. I ended up kayaking down the whole thing. I had to drag over this last spot where the stooges are at right there. But it was super fun, and we're finally getting down to some good fishing down in here. So let's keep fishing. What do you have to say about your journey? What do you have to say about your journey?
That's amazing. I could do this 3 days in a row. And even more.
Russell's still working his way down. That was fun. You should have rode it. It was fun.
I tried to, but it can't.
Well, there you go, folks. Yeah, he's happy that he made his journey down. He's getting in the kayak now, hopefully. Maybe he'll flip on the camera. Oh, he didn't flip. Oh, not over yet. You made it, bud.
I made it.
Ready to catch some fish now?
If we ever get there.
Woo! Oh, okay. Almost went. Come on, Negative Nancy. Kick it in high gear. Woo!
I just jump on my rocks. Watch out, mister. Hey, watch it. Oh! It's right there.
Get it, get it. Don't let it get away.
It's right there. There it is. There it is. Made it. I made it. We're home free. Home free, baby. I'm climbing on top of that rock and I'm jumping off the end of it. Huh? I'm climbing on top of that rock and I'm gonna jump off of it.
Why would you do that?
Because we made it through the rapids.
Look, that thing's so shallow.
Does this look shallow? Okay, never mind, I take it back. It's very shallow. We have made it.
I would be very surprised if it was actually that deep when it was just 1 foot over there. And stuff like this 6 inches.
Decently deep. See, looky.
I wouldn't say diving deep.
No. All right, we're on. We're on, Cannon.
Wacky rig?
Yep. Wacky wig. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, guys. First one of the day. Finally got one. So, nice guy. Let him go. Super chill. On the old wacky rig. Yeah, first one for me. Dad caught one and Cannon's caught one brim so far. Earlier up the creek. Right off that dock. Yeah, I was just sitting there and I was getting ready to reel up my line and it started running away. Good old wacky rig, hard to beat. On again, wacky rig underneath the dock, and I got him in the boat this time. Yes, sir. Hey, chill out.
He is in the lake or not?
Yep. All right, there he is. Nice little spot. I'll let him go real quick. Kind of got tongue hooked, but he's all good. And I got my hook back. And I got blood on me. Yes! Full achievement. Good old green pumpkin flake. Watermelon red flakes. Sorry. What's up, bud?
That's what happens when you try jumping for your lure and your kayak jumps out from under. A little bit more.
Do you regret your decision, bud?
Absolutely not. We got my rifle rig back.
That's funny right there. I'm catching fish. Cannon's just going first over here. Nice. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the boat ramp. Overall, I think we did close to like 10 miles of kayaking through whitewater and then lake and everything. It was a really long time.
Yep.
We started at like 10 and it's like 5 o'clock now, so we were out there all day. But anyway, we had a great time. Caught a couple fish at the end of the day. I caught 2 and you caught 2. 1 brim earlier, and then poor Russell didn't catch anything.
But anyway, go check out his video. This will be his first video. Crimson Bass. I'll link it in the description. And Catch You Later Outdoors. Be linked in the description also. Go subscribe to both. Like them. And like and subscribe to mine if it does you fancy. So see you on the next one.